Technology is evolving at an astonishing pace, and robots are no longer just metal machines stuck in factories. They're entering our homes, hospitals, farms, battlefields, and even our hearts. In this video, we're counting down 10 world-changing robots and breakthrough technologies that are reshaping our future. From mind-blowing AI to machines with human-like senses and emotions. So make sure to watch till number 1, because it may completely change how you see the world around you. Dunyasha. For good cause, Dunyasha, the first humanoid checkout robot, won over tens of millions of men. This service robot provides a glimpse into a future when technology and mankind merge in amazing ways. Promobot launched a Dunyasha starring cyber cafeteria in 2022 on the Robo C2 companion robot platform. Her face, head, neck, and hands move to bring her to life. See her walk organically, pour coffee delicately, lift objects up to 1 kilogram, and make human gestures, yet it will set Dunyasha apart. This cashier robot takes orders, sells ice cream, soda, and coffee, chats about current events, and suggests a photo shoot. Instead of ordering from an automation, you talk to a friend. A cyber cafe kit includes a soft ice cream freezer, fizzy drink machine, coffee maker, and robotic manipulator arms. Dunyasha's micromotions are unexpectedly realistic and interactive because to break through servo motors in her palms, and new silicone skin technology with extraordinary suppleness. NeoGamma. NeoGamma is an elite humanoid bot created by 1X Technologies, with the goal of integrating seamlessly into domestic environments and helping with routine tasks. But this is no clunky robot, it's something remarkable. Envision a robot clad in what appears to be a high-performance athletic onesie that glides with silky fluid motion that is almost creepy in its human similarity. That's NeoGamma's soft 3D printed nylon knit clothing that imitates human motion while giving you better performance, less noise, and greater safety. No more worrying metal and robotic clumsiness. Soft covers and tendon-driven joint actuation make the bot move just like us. And that's exactly it. It moves just like us. But then it becomes truly amazing. NeoGamma is driven by progressive neural networks that enable it to anticipate your actions, walk with an authentic human stride, and converse naturally with contextual body language and an expertly crafted language model that doesn't merely respond to instructions, but anticipates your desires. Achieving an initial home test launch in 2025, NeoGamma has the potential to overhaul home robotics forever. Costing an estimated $20,000 to $30,000 is no small investment. But consider that you're not merely purchasing an appliance, you're making an investment in an ally that could revolutionize the way humans live, work, and interact within the comfort of our own home. Artificial womb. American doctors are gearing up to test the so-called artificial womb, and the technology stands to revolutionize the way we save the most vulnerable infants. This isn't replacing natural pregnancy, it's offering hope where there previously was none. Now this impressive tech is not able to sustain gestation from conception through birth, but it could greatly enhance the possibility of healthy development for 22 to 28-week premature babies. These are the smallest warrior babies, born on the cusp of viability. The idea is both elegant and revolutionary, putting these tiny babies in a biobag of precisely balanced electrolytes that simulate the womb environment in which they enter too soon. Umbilical blood vessels are attached to a system that infuses blood full of oxygen, continuing in effect what nature initiated. Trial on lambs was not merely successful, it was breathtaking. Researchers from the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia are now applying for approval to do the first clinical trials in humans. Imagine parents who believed they'd lost everything, suddenly having tangible hope of their child's survival and healthy development. This technology has the potential to revolutionize neonatal care, giving these micropreemies a second chance at development time they so urgently need. It's not just medical research, it's giving families hope when hope didn't seem possible. McMurtry Spurling Pure V1. Imagine a car so revolutionary it could literally travel upside down along the roof of a tunnel. Enter the McMurtry Spurling Pure V1, the world's first hypercar that defies gravity itself. This is no fantasy, it's carbon fiber-clad engineering genius in action. Hiding underneath this electric monster are double fans spinning at an insane 23,000 RPM, creating enough downforce to pin 2 metric tons to any surface. The secret: these fans spin regardless of its park status, delivering instant grip that would make a gecko envious. To test that this was no marketing hype, the engineers literally stood the Sperling Pure upside down on the wall and set the fan spinning. It remained stuck like an industrial spider. To see its performance stats is to be left agog. This hypercar shoots from standstill to 100 kilometers per hour in a blink, and you'll miss it 1.5 seconds. Turn tighter than Formula One cars, costing hundreds of thousands of times that of this one. It already set records in the hallowed Top Gear test track, proving that sometimes the most outlandish ideas turn out to be the most beautiful realities. Pulsar Fusion. The Sperling Pure is not just any car. It's an injection of fantasy that says physics is no longer our cage, but our playground. Welcome to the space age that's been in our imaginations for decades. Pulsar Fusion's Sunbird prototype is defying the conventions of space travel with fusion power that renders rocket science child's play. Russian space agency Roscosmos Mars-bound cosmonauts trudged through space for 21 miserable months. But Sunbird's fusion engine produces 450 tons of thrust, stronger than an entire Falcon Heavy rocket engine's thrust. Its miniature reactor produces 2 megawatts of unfiltered power, overpowering the International Space Station's entire solar panel set while packing in just a fraction of the volume. Current spacecrafts are burdened by the giant shielding and cooling apparatuses that weigh it down, but Sunbird's revolutionary design eliminates those cumbersome systems in favor of an efficient space tug that would carry humans to Mars in 8 to 12 weeks. But Mars is just the beginning. Jupiter, Saturn, and the outer planets become viable travel targets instead of mere pipe dreams. Orbital trials begin in 2027, and with success. The robots and technologies we just saw are not from a distant future. They're part of our present reality. They're curing disease, creating art, rebuilding lives, and even blurring the line between man and machine. As AI and robotics continue to evolve, we're not just watching the future unfold, we're living it. So which of these innovations amazed you the most? Would you trust a robot with your life, your job, or even your emotions? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next wave of world-changing tech. Until next time, stay curious.